probe control is really what's unique about the unit. So to use it, you plug it in. Right now it tells me I'm at this temperature. And again, that's good information to have. Sometimes you just want to know where you're at. That's okay. But if you push this button right here, you've got choices. You got thermometer where you can set alarms. You've got probe control, which is what we're going to use. And then if you were deep frying, you would use probe control oil. If you're doing sugar work with eggs, holding a sauce, you would want to use probe control. Okay, so put this guy here. We're going to hit probe control. Okay, now it says stick the probe in whatever it is that you're cooking. Okay. And now it's ready to go. We're going to make a hollandaise and pretty much break every rule about making hollandaise. So everything's going to go in the pot. So I've got white wine and a little bit of vinegar. So we'll set this to 75 probe control. And we're going to reduce it down just a touch so that the end result isn't liquidy. So I throw my butter in. Egg yolks. And that's going to drop the temperature. Because of the probe control and being at the temperature that we want to end at, I've got gentle, even heat. The emulsion is stable. It's already getting creamy. Once the egg yolks and everything come to 75, it'll thicken. And then at that point, you can hold it at around 68. And this emulsion is super stable. We just broke all of the rules of making hollandaise with the power of probe control. I'm Dave from PolyScience. Thanks for watching.